Welcome to Solution Spotlight. Today, we're taking a look at how Brandfolder's guest upload feature can help you manage the logistical and technological challenges associated with user-generated content. When it comes to content, quality is king. But as file sizes go up, email limits are reached, and FTP servers are slow and cumbersome. Providing a seamless upload experience to capture raw files will get you more, higher quality content. With Brandfolder, collecting all your valuable customer stories is easy, fast, and reliable for you and your customers. Simply create a guest upload link, select where you'd like the uploads to land, add an optional message, and send it out to anyone you like. Or embed it in a beautifully designed landing page. Your customers can simply drag and drop or select files from popular cloud storage providers like Google Drive, Dropbox, and Box. From there, the uploads will be auto-tagged, appended with metadata like usage rights, and made immediately searchable. You'll even have the option of placing them in a pending state prior to approval to weed out low-quality or off-brand content before it's used. To learn more about guest upload and how it can be a solution for your business, contact us at brandfolder.com.